Are you over 60 and secretly worried about those nagging, tingling sensations in your hands, the sudden weakness in your legs, or joints that just don't move like they used to? What if I told you the solution isn't some expensive miracle cure, but something you can whip up in your kitchen right now? If you've been dismissed, told it's just old age, or felt your independence slipping away, then this video is for you. Stay tuned, because we're about to uncover 8 delicious, easy-to-make snacks that can help your body repair itself from the inside out, bringing back the strength, comfort, and freedom you thought were gone forever. You won't want to miss this. Your body will thank you. The unseen power of collagen, more than just skin deep. Most people hear collagen and immediately think of expensive creams or youthful skin. However, once you pass the age of 60, collagen transforms into something far more vital for your overall well-being. It acts as the fundamental glue that holds your body together, ensuring your joints remain stable, your nerves transmit signals correctly, and you can move without constant, bothersome pain. When your body starts running low on this crucial protein, you might experience those unsettling symptoms: hands that tingle, legs that feel wobbly, or joints that simply refuse to cooperate. The good news is, replenishing your body's collagen doesn't require drastic measures. Often, it simply comes down to making smarter, more informed food choices. In this video, we'll dive into 8 surprisingly tasty snacks, each packed with collagen-boosting ingredients designed to alleviate discomfort, restore strength, and help you reclaim a sense of vitality. These recipes are not only simple and enjoyable, but are also supported by research for their ability to support your joints, nerves, and overall energy levels as you gracefully age. Dark chocolate midnight clusters. A sweet path to healing. Let's begin with a treat that sounds almost too delightful to be true. Chocolate, but not just any chocolate. We're focusing on rich, genuine dark chocolate, especially varieties with high cacao content. This isn't just about indulging your sweet tooth, it's about harnessing the potent plant compounds within dark chocolate that actively aid your body's internal healing processes. Dr. William Li, a renowned researcher dedicated to understanding how food can repair the body, highly recommends dark chocolate with at least 80% cacao. He considers it a top choice for stimulating collagen production and bolstering your body's inherent repair mechanisms. The secret lies in its abundant flavonols and proanthocyanidins. While these names may sound complex, their function is remarkably straightforward. They assist your body in generating new stem cells, reducing inflammation, and even safeguarding your DNA from damage. This translates to healthier skin, more robust joints, and a greater likelihood of maintaining mobility and independence throughout your later years. However, it's crucial to distinguish between high-quality dark chocolate and sugary candy bars, which offer little benefit. Opt for the darkest chocolate available, ideally 70–85% cacao or higher, with minimal sugar. If you can find a single origin label, that's even better, as it often indicates a purer product with a higher concentration of beneficial compounds. Once you have the right chocolate, transforming it into a collagen-boosting snack is wonderfully simple. Gently melt about 1 ounce of dark chocolate, then stir in a handful of roasted almonds and a teaspoon of dried goji berries. Drop small spoonfuls onto a plate or into molds and chill until firm. The resulting chewy, rich bite offers more than just great taste. The chocolate provides powerful antioxidants to combat cellular damage, the almonds supply essential amino acids for collagen synthesis, and the goji berries add natural sweetness along with a boost of vitamin C, crucial for your body to effectively utilize these nutrients. This indulgent snack subtly works behind the scenes, helping to ease pain, protect your joints, and restore your sense of well-being. Gelatin fruit nibbles, a simple wiggly wonder for wellness. Often relegated to childhood desserts, gelatin deserves far more recognition for its profound health benefits, particularly as we age. This unassuming ingredient can work wonders for your joints, skin, and nerves. Essentially, gelatin is collagen that has already been broken down into a form your body can readily absorb and immediately put to use. It's a rich source of vital amino acids like glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, the precise building blocks your body needs to create fresh collagen and repair damaged tissues. Scientific research underscores its efficacy. One study showed that individuals who consumed gelatin before exercise experienced a significant 37% reduction in joint pain over time. This isn't a minor improvement. It's the kind of substantial difference that can make standing, walking, and everyday movement feel considerably easier. The best part is how effortlessly you can transform gelatin into a delicious therapeutic snack. Begin with 1 cup of unsweetened juice. Cherry or pomegranate are excellent choices due to their high antioxidant content. Warm the juice gently on the stove, being careful not to let it boil. Stir in 2 tablespoons of plain powdered gelatin until it completely dissolves. For an extra boost, consider adding a few chopped nuts for healthy fats and some fresh berries for additional vitamin C, which further aids collagen production. Pour the mixture into small molds or a shallow dish and refrigerate until firm. What you'll create is a soft, easy-to-chew treat that feels light but works diligently within your body, supporting your joints, reducing stiffness, and supplying your tissues with exactly what they need to remain flexible and strong. For anyone over 60 struggling with aching knees, sore hips, or that subtle, persistent weakness that accompanies aging, these simple gelatin bites can feel like a genuine game changer. Even better, you crafted them yourself, infusing them with care, purpose, and tangible benefits you can experience every day. Chicken bone broth bites, liquid gold for your body. Bone broth might seem like just another soup, but it is, in fact, one of the most potent natural remedies you can offer your body, especially if you're over 60 and navigating stiff joints, tingling extremities, or legs that have lost their former steadiness. This comforting, warm broth is brimming with collagen, alongside essential amino acids such as glycine and proline. These compounds are pivotal in rebuilding connective tissues, repairing cartilage, and even facilitating nerve healing. When chicken bones are slowly simmered for hours, their collagen meticulously breaks down into a form your body can effortlessly absorb. This isn't merely comfort food. It's precisely the kind of deep nourishment your body requires to recuperate and thrive. The excellent news is that incorporating bone broth into your daily regimen doesn't necessitate elaborate efforts. Simply save leftover chicken bones from a roast or even chicken wings. Place them in a large pot with water, a splash of apple cider vinegar, and chopped vegetables like onion, celery, and carrot. Allow it to simmer gently on low heat for approximately 8 hours. Once ready, strain the broth and pour it into jars. As it cools, it will naturally transform into a soft gel. This is your homemade collagen booster. Scoop out a portion, warm it carefully, and enhance it with a squeeze of lemon juice and fresh parsley for added flavor and nutrients. Even consuming half a cup daily can contribute to smoother feeling joints, alleviate those creaky sensations, and make everyday movements significantly easier. If you've been contending with weak legs or persistent pins and needles in your hands, this broth provides your body with the crucial support it needs to begin repairing the tissues governing movement and sensation. It's gentle, deeply nourishing, and comes directly from your own kitchen. More profoundly, it represents a daily act of self-care, one small bowl at a time, empowering you to feel more mobile, more comfortable, and more truly yourself again. Cantaloupe Mint Bites, the overlooked vitamin C powerhouse. When it comes to building collagen, many people underestimate the critical role of vitamin C. Without an adequate supply, your body simply cannot produce collagen efficiently. This is precisely why incorporating something as straightforward as cantaloupe into your daily routine can yield a significant difference, particularly if you're over 60 and experiencing stiff joints or an unsteady gait. Cantaloupe is far more than just a refreshing summer fruit, it's a vibrant source of vitamin C. A single cup provides nearly 2/3 of your body's daily requirement, effectively kickstarting your collagen production process. This can actively alleviate that tight, achy feeling in your knees, hips, or even your fingers. The beauty of this snack lies in its simplicity, speed, and sheer enjoyability. Begin with a sweet, ripe cantaloupe and cut it into easy-to-chew, bite-sized cubes, making it gentle even for sensitive teeth or gums. Add a squeeze of fresh lime juice for an extra burst of flavor and a potent antioxidant boost. Toss in a few fragrant mint leaves for a refreshing, cooling effect, and then sprinkle with chopped pistachios. These small nuts contribute healthy fats, protein, and fiber, all of which help to soothe inflammation and keep your joints moving fluidly. The result is a bright, invigorating bowl that not only hydrates and supports your immune system, but also provides your body with the essential spark it needs to generate more collagen. This translates to reduced stiffness, enhanced flexibility, and greater comfort with every movement. For anyone who feels like they've lost a bit of vitality, a simple dish of cantaloupe with mint and lime can be a wonderfully sweet first step toward feeling lighter, stronger, and more energized. Sometimes, the smallest dietary adjustments lead to the most profound and rewarding changes. Tomato caprese salad snack, an everyday anti-inflammatory hero. It's often the most common foods, readily available in our kitchens, that harbor the most potent benefits, and tomatoes are a prime example. While a staple, few truly recognize their collagen-friendly prowess. Tomatoes are not only rich in vitamin C, a known collagen builder, but also boast a powerful antioxidant called lycopene. Here's the magic. Vitamin C helps your body synthesize new collagen, while lycopene diligently protects the collagen you already possess. This synergistic effect leads to stronger joints, firmer skin, and a noticeable reduction in inflammation over time. Interestingly, when tomatoes are cooked or even slightly warmed, your body can absorb even more lycopene, maximizing its protective benefits. This is why a fresh tomato snack, thoughtfully paired with healthy fats, transforms into a miniature collagen powerhouse. One of the simplest and most enjoyable ways to leverage this is through a caprese-style salad. It's light, incredibly refreshing, and remarkably beneficial for your joints and nerves, especially if you've been experiencing stiffness or tingling sensations in your hands or legs. Simply slice a ripe, juicy tomato and layer it with fresh mozzarella. If you prefer a dairy-free alternative, cubes of creamy avocado work wonderfully. Drizzle generously with extra virgin olive oil, which significantly aids your body in absorbing those vital antioxidants, and garnish with a few fresh basil leaves for both exquisite flavor and digestive support. Allow it to rest for a few minutes so the flavors can meld beautifully. What you'll have is a snack that feels like a gourmet treat from a chic cafe, yet within your body, it's performing crucial repair work. It hydrates, delivers potent anti-inflammatory compounds, and supplies your tissues with precisely what they need to rebuild and rejuvenate over time. Make this a regular habit, and you may begin to notice diminished joint soreness, improved skin elasticity, and an overarching sense of internal support. It's a small, delicious act of self-care, plate by plate, that can help you continue moving with greater comfort and effortless ease. Guava Power Yogurt Bowl, an exotic boost for collagen. Guava may not be the first fruit that comes to mind when you think about boosting collagen, but it absolutely should be, especially if you're over 60 and grappling with weak legs, tingling hands, or stiff joints. Guava stands out as one of the richest sources of vitamin C available. Just 100 grams of guava can provide over 200 milligrams of vitamin C, several times more than an orange. This is critically important because vitamin C isn't just helpful, it's absolutely essential. Your body literally cannot produce collagen without it. If you're not getting enough, you might notice persistent dull aches in your knees, reduced strength in your legs, or those telltale tingling sensations in your fingers. These can be clear signals that your body is calling out for more support. This is where guava steps in. When you smartly combine guava with protein-rich foods like Greek yogurt, you're giving your body a dynamic duo. Both the vital nutrients required to produce collagen and the sustaining fuel needed to rebuild tissues and regain strength. Creating a guava yogurt bowl is straightforward, yet it delivers a powerful nutritional punch. Simply chop up some fresh, ripe guava and gently stir it into plain Greek yogurt. Add a delicate drizzle of honey for natural sweetness, a squeeze of lime for an extra burst of vitamin C, and top it all off with chopped almonds or walnuts. These nuts provide essential minerals and healthy fats that further enhance the healing process. The result is a refreshing, easily digestible bowl brimming with antioxidants, amino acids, and nutrients that actively support collagen production. It works to combat inflammation, repair tissues, and maintain your body's flexibility. Best of all, it tastes wonderful and is gentle on your digestive system. Each spoonful is like delivering a concentrated care package to yourself, not just for immediate benefit, but for long-term well-being. Healing doesn't have to be complicated, it simply needs to be consistent, and it can begin with something as simple and delicious as guava and yogurt. Kiwi Crunch. Snack, small fruit, big impact on nerves and joints. Incorporating just 2 or 3 kiwis into your daily diet can effectively flood your body with vitamin C, a non-negotiable nutrient for collagen production. Collagen is the cornerstone that maintains the firmness of your skin, the strength of your joints, and the overall health of your nerves. This means that consistent kiwi consumption can play a significant role in alleviating tingling sensations in your hands and counteracting the age-related weakness you might experience in your legs. This snack is effortlessly simple to prepare. Slice up a fresh kiwi and generously sprinkle a few toasted almonds or walnuts on top. These nuts not only provide a satisfying crunch, but also contribute healthy fats that your body utilizes for tissue repair and maintenance. For an unexpected flavor twist and an extra health kick, consider adding a tiny pinch of chili flakes or a dash of sea salt. Beyond enhancing the taste, these additions can also help boost circulation and support nerve health. What truly elevates this snack is its multifaceted benefits. It doesn't just aid collagen synthesis, it also supports healthy digestion, fortifies your immune system, and helps your nerves function more smoothly. These advantages are particularly valuable as we age, when our bodies require all the additional support they can get to remain strong and comfortable. Making Kiwi Crunch a daily ritual is an easy, delicious strategy to prevent frustrating symptoms from impeding your daily life and to help you savor life with renewed energy and ease. Pineapple Nut Bites, bromelain's anti-inflammatory magic. Pineapple possesses a truly distinctive component that sets it apart, an enzyme known as bromelain. While the fancy name might sound intimidating, its function is remarkably simple, yet profoundly beneficial. It actively combats inflammation deep within your body. Considering that inflammation is a major contributor to stiff or painful joints and nerves as we age, bromelain emerges as a genuine ally. When you combine pineapple's inherent natural vitamin C with its bromelain content, you create a powerful duo that helps your body repair itself more quickly and effectively. Together, these nutrients provide comprehensive support for both your joints and your nerves, leading to easier movement and a noticeable reduction in uncomfortable stiffness. The best part? This snack is as straightforward to prepare as it is delicious. Simply cut fresh pineapple into chunks and mix them with crunchy macadamia nuts or cashews. The nuts provide essential healthy fats and protein, precisely what your body needs to rebuild tissues and maintain steady energy levels. To elevate the experience even further, sprinkle on a little cinnamon and fresh mint. Cinnamon is known for its ability to help balance blood sugar and calm inflammation, while mint offers a soothing effect on your digestion. Incorporate these pineapple nut bites into your routine regularly, and you may begin to observe less stiffness, increased energy, and an overall stronger, healthier feeling. This isn't just a snack that tastes good, it actively supports your body in real, lasting ways. It's a small, sweet step toward moving better, feeling better, and living a more vibrant life after 60.